Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to configure your image carousel in WordPress so that it includes pages as a post type. We will begin with the basics and then gradually work through each stage of the process, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of every action required. First, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. This initial step places you at the hub where all your website management tasks are performed. Once you have arrived at the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the page where a login option is clearly visible. By clicking on the login area, you initiate the process of entering your administrative area where you will make the necessary changes. After clicking login, you will see an option to continue with Google. This is a simple and convenient way to authenticate your account if you have your Google credentials set up. Click on the option that says Continue with Google. A prompt will appear asking you to select the specific Google account you wish to use. Simply choose your account and the login process will complete in a few moments, allowing you access to the back end of your website. Once you are logged in, the next step is to locate the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. This section is designed to provide direct access to frequently used features. Within Quick Links, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this option to enter the site editor. The site editor is where you can make visual and content modifications to your pages without having to deal with the backend code directly. After opening the site editor, focus your attention on the image carousel block that is part of your website's content. This block is designed to display images in a dynamic and visually appealing way. Locate and click on the image carousel block to bring up its settings and options. Once the block is highlighted, you have now singled out the element that you wish to modify for displaying pages. With the image carousel block selected, shift your attention to the right panel where a series of tabs are available. Among these tabs, click on the Block tab. This tab is dedicated to adjusting the specific settings for the selected block, allowing you to modify its behavior and functions. The interface in this panel will give you access to various customization options that govern how your carousel displays content. Within the Block tab, scroll until you locate a section designated for post types. This part of the settings controls what type of content is rendered within the image carousel. In this tutorial, the goal is to include pages as part of the carousel's content, so you need to carefully review the options available. Once you find the section pertaining to post types, you will need to make a small adjustment to ensure that pages are included. The final step involves turning on pages. This is accomplished by toggling the setting related to pages in the Post Types section. By turning on this setting, you instruct WordPress to include pages within your image carousel. This adjustment can be very beneficial when you want to showcase important pages or feature content that is not part of the standard blog post list. Following these detailed instructions will ensure that your image carousel is successfully configured to display pages alongside other content. Each step of this process is designed to be executed in sequence, ensuring a smooth transition from accessing WordPress all the way through to modifying a specific setting in the Post Types section. Enjoy the streamlined process and the improved functionality of your WordPress website, now enhanced with an image carousel that supports pages as part of its display options.